Namaste. I am Laurel Bellows, Immediate Past President of the American Bar Association, and it is my privilege to add my welcome to the International Conference on Cyberlaw and Cybercrime. A particular thank you to Advocate of the Supreme Court of India, Pavan Dugal, who asked me to speak to you today. Pavan is truly an international luminary in the area of cyber law. I applaud you for organizing this conference to address one of the most serious international concerns we all face today. Anonymous nation-states, organized crime, and hackers in internet cafes from Beijing to New York City are stealing our data and threatening all of us. Military and government facilities are not the only targets of cyber criminals. Our critical infrastructure, including telecommunications companies, banks, and public utilities, are at risk worldwide. Imagine a terrorist-planned cyber attack that turns the lights off in New York City, turns business off in New Delhi, or what if electric grids around the globe are targeted? Efforts to infiltrate private networks and steal intellectual property, trade, and military secrets have been so successful that the United States intelligence community listed cyber attack above terrorism in last year's Worldwide Threat Assessment Report. And now the vocabulary of cyber war and cyber terrorism is part of our daily conversation. The FBI lists identity theft as the fastest growing crime in the United States. Information we thought secure is not. Social Security and bank account numbers are routinely stolen from shopping websites and stores. Some of you are probably aware of the massive data breach that affected up to 100 million Target store shoppers over the holidays in the United States, and it is not just retailers. In the past few weeks in the U.S., computer hackers stole the personal identity records of more than 300,000 students, faculty, and staff at the University of Maryland. This is not someone else's problem. We are all vulnerable. The ABA recognizes that cybersecurity is one of the most crucial issues facing the U.S. and the international community. The American Bar Association's Cybersecurity Task Force is working with the White House and members of our Congress to represent the voice of the legal profession as the United States develops cybersecurity policy. Every lawyer should be concerned about cybersecurity because every lawyer and every client is vulnerable. The ABA Model Rules of Professional Conduct now extend the responsibility of lawyers to their clients into cyberspace. Our rules now require that attorneys be competent and, quote, keep abreast of changes in the law and its practice, including the benefits and risks associated with relevant technology. It is now the responsibility of lawyers to make reasonable efforts to prevent the unauthorized disclosure of or access to client information. Cybersecurity is a complicated and evolving topic, but as lawyers we need to act now to mitigate the risk for ourselves and our clients. Reducing cybersecurity risks begins with education. Learning about the vectors of attack, understanding the variety of security compliance requirements in an industry, and recognizing that a comprehensive plan to secure digital information should be part of every operating plan. And what about the effect of an electric grid shutdown on a commercial contract to deliver goods that cannot be manufactured because there's no electricity? The complexity of government regulation may make routine force majeure clauses obsolete. The ABA Cybersecurity Task Force is leading our effort to inform the legal community. Recently, we published the ABA Cybersecurity Handbook, a powerful and effective tool that attorneys, law firms, in-house counsel, and business professionals should use in understanding, planning for, and responding to a cyber breach. I invite you to visit our website at ambar.org/cyber for resources and news about what is happening in the United States. Lawyers need to evolve with the increasing frequency and complexity of cyber intrusions. The American Bar Association is committed to working with lawyers everywhere to secure our digital future.